Start. Oh, welcome again our channel. Today we are proceeding with something different. Today we are going to observe something about trigonometrical ratio. So today we are going to check the trigonometric identities. So I write here trigonometric identity. Okay, so we'll discuss just by starting a little bit about trigonometric identities, and this is one of the very important part in mathematics in trigonometric ratio. Now, just consider okay, let us take this right angle triangle, and we have three sides, three-sided figure. And this side, the longest side, which we call it hypotenuse, and this is an angle. Let's call it angle theta. And this side here down is the adjacent to this angle. And the vertical side to this angle, we normally call it the opposite side. Now, from this figure, we can now derive these what we call identities of trigonometry from by, or we can say by Pythagoras theorem. We know that Pythagoras theorem states this side, like they say a square plus b square is equal to c square. But here we have the name of each side. So we have this side, which is, this one is an opposite and this is an adjacent. So we can say this one is like adjacent, or this one is an opposite. So adjacent square, this side is square plus that side which is opposite. Again, this one is square is equal to, this one is an hypotenuse, so we write hypotenuse. Again, square. So this is the so we call Pythagoras. Then from this side here, now we can have like saying if we divide by this one, which is hypotenuse. So we divide by hypotenuse this side, hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse square divided by hypotenuse square is equal to this one also divided by hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square. So when we divide this throughout the equation, we will find it to be, this one is going to be like, here is adjacent over hypotenuse. Here I have just abbreviated in short. So this is square plus, and this is opposite. That one is an opposite. So opposite in short over hypotenuse. This one in short square is equal to, that one is hypotenuse over hypotenuse. Again, this one is, again we say square. So when we reach here, we find that adjacent over hypotenuse. Now I just want to remind you something, just a small principle, just like in humanity. That one which says so toka. So this one is one of the principles which you can use to remember the formula of each. This one represents sine and this is opposite. So if you just want to find the sine, you take opposite side of a hypotenuse side. So sine is equal to opposite of a hypotenuse. Tangent tan is equal to opposite of adjacent, and this one is standing for cosine. So cosine is equal to adjacent of a hypotenuse. Therefore, in this case, opposite of a hypotenuse, that is adjacent of a hypotenuse. So adjacent of hypotenuse, this one, adjacent of hypotenuse gives what we call C, which is cosine. So here we say that's gonna be cosine. This one, there is a square here, so we remember that just the cosine of angle theta. So that will be cos square plus here plus what? Plus opposite over hypotenuse in the bracket square. So opposite over hypotenuse, this one which is sine. So we write sine, that is the same of this angle theta, that is square, okay, is equal to hypotenuse of hypotenuse. Actually, this one will simplify to 1. So hypotenuse of hypotenuse is 1. So this one is again square because of this. So here we have this one, which is cos, this one theta. So cos theta square, which we can now on my right like cos square theta plus, and this one is sine, okay, sine, then square theta is equal to, this is 1 square. So 1 square means 1 times 1, which means it's equal to 1. So this is an identity of, or one of the identities of trigonometry. So from this one, from this note, from this we can derive that sine square theta is equal to 1, then, oh, can you say 1 sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So this is our identity. Identity number 1. Again, cos square theta is equal to, so this one will shift, sine will move the other side. So there will be 1 minus sine square theta. So we just have to wind up here, and maybe we are going to have some examples in our upcoming video. We will start from here with few examples. I think this will be going in a series from basically we have started from the beginning, and we have tried to derive the identity, which is cos identities, which are, this one is cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. So next time we will see examples on how to use how to solve some questions which come in this modality. If this is your first time you watch our channel, I would like to advise you to subscribe it so that you can be having any update from our channel. It's Teacher Ngwame. Thank you for watching.